Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft we're making Fireman Puppets. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, scissors, googly eyes, black crayon, paper bag, and construction paper. I chose yellow, red, and black. First, we're going to take the paper bag and make some overalls. I chose a fireman, but you can make a policeman or any other community helper you want. And we're going to glue his overalls onto him and just put it right under the flap. Okay, and then I'm going to make his arms, and I just cut the red paper. We're going to just put his outfit, glue it. Just stick it down, and then I'm going to put his cuffs on, and I made them yellow because on fire uniforms they're usually yellow. A little bit off. Okay. And then I'm going to take his hands and put them on. Got a little extra glue there. Just make sure I'm pressed down. Okay, and then I'm going to add the googly eyes. I'm going to add them up top more. Okay, and then I'm going to make a belt for him. I'm going to add a yellow belt to match the cuffs. Press down. And I'm gonna make a hat and make it as big as the paper bag. And this is the brim of the hat. And I'm gonna add his smile. And I'm gonna put a yellow badge on his hat. And then I'm going to make his boots. Press down. I'm going to give him a nose. And this is our Fireman Puppet. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.